Okay, today is April 4th, and here's the outside exhaust fan opening. Got a scaffolding, and this is so brittle already. Look at that. It's like just falling apart. So the birds is nesting inside. And here's the other one. On a 2-level scaffolding. And the birds are probably buried deep inside. Okay, this is the modified vent cover. So this is a 4-inch pipe cut short to with about half an inch to be fitted right inside. The original tube will be going inside the cover, and it will just be flush to the wall, just like this one. And then we're going to put a couple of screws to hold it permanent and seal it around with cork, and that's it. That should last for a while. Okay, this is mounted very tight. 2 screws over here. Don't need the 2 on the bottom. It's already very tight. It's not going anywhere. This is not a heavy cover, so it's gonna last forever. Same thing on this side. Very tight, not going anywhere, not budging. Cover opens up. Okay. These are the tools: impact wrench, cordless drill, hammer, chisel, my tool bag, and 2 modified small planks. All done. Good to go. Boy, I feel like this is too easy. I want to stay up a little bit longer, but nah, let's get out of here. Take the scaffolding down.